Ichimoku Cloud settings for Tradingview. I'm Kierin from CryptoBoost and I'm happy to have you here with me today. So in this short sweet video, I'll quickly show how I like to install Tradingview, Ichimoku Cloud, and which settings I like to have. Let's head over to Tradingview, and this is what it will look like at the end after we've applied all the settings. So when you start out, you can register to Tradingview. You can have a free account with, I believe it's 3 indicators is available, and you can have 3 indicators at the same time on the free account. So when you're here on Tradingview, you can click up here at the wave and you click on indicators and you type in Ichimoku Cloud. Ichimoku should be enough. And then you can click here on the Ichimoku Cloud. It will load up and you'll get the Ichimoku Cloud already on your charts. Now, me personally, I prefer to have a bit more brighter colors and to change everything around a bit and also change the settings. One thing about the settings that is very important and that you can see here. So you will see these numbers 9, 26, 52 and 26. And the thing is, cryptocurrency is 24/7, 365 days a year. So I like to change the settings and double these values since the stock market is only from like 9 to 5 p.m. So basically I'm doubling the values since it's all the time. Now if you click on the cogwheel, we've got the style. Let's first click on the inputs and get that correct. So conversion line periods, we will set that to 20. And you can play around with these settings to see what works for you the best. I like to use these settings and they've worked for me very well. And the baseline periods, we'll set it to 60. Lagging span 2 periods to 120 and displacement to 30. So this is the only one that is not being doubled. Click OK and you see it, the cloud moved a bit as the new settings were applied. Now for the colors, you can click on again the cogwheel or just leave it open and you can click on style and here you can change the different colors. You've got conversion line. I like to have this on light blue. You can click here, maybe let's put it on light blue. And you can change you have the line. You've got baseline, I have that an orange. Lagging span is either dark gray or brown. Because it's not as important as the other lines. Basically, the lagging span is a representation of the candles just displaced by a certain amount of periods. In our case, 30 periods. Then we've got the lead 1. I'm gonna have that in purple. And lead 2 is going to be in I think it's dark blue. Yeah, I can't remember what colors I had, so I have to read it on a note on the notes that I took. So let's put it on dark blue. And 2 things that I still have to adapt, and that is I want to have the conversion line a lot thicker. So I can click here and then I can change the thickness of the conversion line and make it a lot thicker. And I'll do the same with the baseline. I also want that a lot thicker, so I can click on the baseline and down here below I can click on the thicker one. Alright, so that makes a big change. Now the plots background, the color 0, that's for the bullish trend, so I like to have this one blue. I like the color blue. If you've got another color you like, you can put that color. So put it in blue and change the opacity so that it's a bit better. Maybe I'll change the shade of blue. In the end, this is also all personal opinion, which color suits you the best. I think this one's good. Alright. And the color 1 is for the bearish cloud, the red cloud, and I like to have that red. And to change the opacity a bit, why is it not working? Alright, now it did it, but that was a bit too much. Alright, now we've got that done. So as you hear here, now you have the Ichimoku cloud. You can tinker around with the settings if you prefer to have a different shade of red or different shade of blue and so on. It doesn't make that much of a difference, but in my opinion, I like to have the Ichimoku cloud settings more or less in this way, and I hope this helps you in your trading. And when I do some guides, I will be using these settings so you have some comparison that you can make with your own charts. So that's it. Have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye bye.